Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing the stock feet and opening the shell carefully. You want access to internals now. Once done, clean contact points and organize screws in a labeled container so reassembly is fast. Next, flash the latest firmware and create 400, 800, and 1600 DPI profiles in G-Hub. This gives consistent sensor behavior. Finally, if you plan to test a cable, attach a 0.5 mm paracord or lightweight aftermarket cable to compare feel versus wire. Now focus on balance and tactile feedback. Open the shell and try adding 0.5 to 1 gram of adhesive tape near the sensor to shift center of mass slightly. This improves flick control. Make sure to test incrementally because small changes matter. Next, replace stock PTFE feet with full 100% PTFE feet at about 0.4 mm thickness for smoother glide on your pad. Finally, if clicks feel heavy or inconsistent, swap micro switches to match your preferred force and longevity. Finish by fine-tuning software and testing on your actual play surface. Set polling to 1000 Hz for max responsiveness or 500 Hz if you need lower CPU use. Test liftoff distance and disable angle snapping in G-Hub to match your aim. Make sure to surface tune the sensor if available, then play several rounds to verify consistency. If you see jitter or tracking loss, reseat the cable or receiver, reinstall firmware, and clean the sensor lens. These steps fix most final issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.